Hey, Holly, here you go. Holly, here you go. Where can you do, Veronica? They're not home? What do you mean they're not home? Look worried.
Residence. We're not in right now, but if you would like to leave, we'll get back.
What the heck happened there?
Hello? Is anyone there? This is Holly. Pick up the phone, Tim. Okay, I'm at Robbie's and I need a ride home, so come to Robbie's when you get home, okay? Bye.
That's too bad. Guess you're stuck here
No
first.
one's home. I think the aliens abducted them. I just blew a spitball in my mouth.
Okay.
Let's have mango sorbet.
Okay. Yeah, take out our freezer. That's our freezer.
What does K mean over your vocab word?
What?
What does K mean over your incorrect vocab word?
Wrong word. No, I don't know what K means. Ooh, Joey. They're my feet. Lovely little feet. I love my feet. They're very nice feet, aren't they?
Very nice. Very nice. Ass in here.
Yeah.
Like a golden rump.
Isn't that funny?
How did you think of how to word that?
Word finder.
Disguised as an ass with a golden rump.
Isn't that funny?
How did you think of how to word that?
Word finder.
Disguised as an ass with a golden rump.
Word finder. I think that is awesome. Is it recording?
Joey?
That's so cool.
I missed our hand.
Wow, you can still complete it with your hands.
This was a weird Puff Daddy. Done yet? Exclamation points. The free ammo.
Yeah. How's it going? I love it with camera. Cleaning? Nice clean table.
Hi, boys and girls. So nice to see you this afternoon. My evil mother was supposed to pick me up about 2 hours ago. And you know what I'm gonna do to her? Boys and girls, I'm gonna give her a big hug when she comes. Because we love our parents. Right, Robbie?
Oh yeah.
The cameraman?
Yeah, stop following me.
Why, Robbie? Aren't I your special
Oh,
guest?
don't get so close to the camera. You see that? You see that? Keep on doing it, Holly. Look. Yeah. And look at Holly's shoes. Look how ripped up they are.
Look at that.
Just so you know, it's April 7th, 1998. April 7th, 1998.
Oh, you're gonna break it.
And let's see, that's April 7th or April 8th?
April 7th.
And this is 9th grade for me. And I was a treasurer of Save.
And I'm the president of publicity.
You upstairs in the basement today?
Yeah.
Was there a fax, did you notice?
Oh, thanks. See, Save, in which we go over. We have $506 at the beginning of February. We didn't, that's receipts. Wait, where are we? That's receipts. We didn't spend any money, nor did we
I think we
any.
made, didn't
No, that was a while. I don't know where that money is. It's
a plane.
that's no, that's Ho. Do you know why? She always runs away no matter what. She's got that kind of problem. See, look, she runs.
She's been scarred.
But that's Atticus. You can tell that's Atticus for two different reasons. One, he's a lot more friendly with people. See, look, he's looking at Jelly. That's Jelly. He's a lot more friendly with people. And you see that? You see on his on his left eye? You see that? Actually, it's his right eye, but it would be we're looking at it from the left. You see that mucus or whatever? He always has that there. I'm not sure what that is. I think we need Samantha. Samantha. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going?
It's going good. How you doing? It's going good. How you doing?
I'm okay. You know what?
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see how much you've grown.
Let's see.
Since the press.
Since the press, yeah.
So what do you have to say since you've gone through puberty?
Well, I have a lot.
Every
Well,
day before you go to sleep.
when
wake up 5
actually
minutes
just
before.
today I had a very memorable experience.
What happened?
I was in a kayak.
Right?
Okay, you know I'm a great kayaker. I mean I'm
Avid.
very avid.
Avid?
Avid.
How many rivers have you paddled in the list?
One, but that's okay.
You've gotten pretty built since I saw you last, Rob.
Yeah.
Check these out. Check these out.
Ethiopian. So what happened today?
Okay, so I was out in the kayak, and I've grown so much that the pedals in the kayak, you know the pedals in the kayak, don't you?
Yeah.
They were too small. So I kind of moved my butt out a little bit onto the kayak, and Holly started laughing at me. I couldn't imagine why. And all of a sudden, I kind of looked at her. I'm like, what do you want, Holly?
Yeah, right. Blame it on me. I started laughing because you look like you're gonna fall out.
Well, you know what? I did fall out. And you know what?
Why did you fall?
Because
What were you doing that you shouldn't have been doing?
my butt was outside
What
the
did
kayak.
you learn from this
Why?
experience?
Not to put your butt on the kayak.
Is that
don't,
it?
Don't put your butt on the kayak,
That's
for
the
God's
best you
sake.
can get?
Well, that and when you don't go kayaking in April when the weather's really cold.
In a self-sustaining pond.
Self-sustaining pond. That's right. Go self-sustaining pond.
Alright.
We were playing. Bed not made. Socks all over the floor.
Let me put that away. Put it away.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side?
Come on, get inside. Move over here, man.
Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. Someday we'll. So I know you're wrong. Wait and see. Someday we'll find it. The rainbow connections, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. La 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 la. Who said that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on a morning star? Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. And look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? Someday we'll find it. Oh, just kidding. And what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it. The rainbow connection. The lovers, the dreamers, and me. Have you been half asleep? And have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? Oh, the voice might be one the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something we're supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Have you heard voice? Oh. Bobby, wait, I'm going downstairs, okay?
For her, to world, just the approach they're considered and considered to be this, and so what it could be like. I mean, everybody that masseuse comes in. Thank you. Thanks. You can bring on Friday. No, I didn't know. Oh no.
Oh my God.
Every night? Yeah. You go out every night?
Mm-hmm. I believe everything's here. I believe everything's here.
Put it away.
This is Joey. He wants to go outside. He wants to go outside. Well, now that basically ends it. I've showed you a lot about my house, a lot about the people in it. But let's just have one last look at the people in my...
Oh my God.
Okay. Man left just saying that. Well, there's a really...
She knows.
Figured it what out?
Pizza's
That was a
here.
good game.
Hey, last Rob.
Check these out. Check these
You
out.
open, so what happened?
Okay. And who could forget? Last, but certainly not least, And my favorite cat. The end.